Hello, aloha, and welcome to this business pitch that will make you money, will make me money, and will change the face of the Surf Skate Island lifestyle apparel industry. My name is Hannah Kelmer, and I will be telling you about Groms. This is my logo, and I hope that you can refer back to it throughout this presentation. And may this clear, simplistic, minimalistic logo encompass and illustrate the clear and simplistic, minimalistic vision I have for this company. So to start off, I see a problem. Every time I enter a surf skate store and I want to buy a t-shirt, I can never find one I like. They all are the same. The pictures are highly commercialized. They take up the entire t-shirt. They're very vibrant and they're on vibrant tones. And honestly, they break the bank. I want a t-shirt that has unique photographs that tell a story of a different side of the island and surf life, a different side of Hawaii. And that's where Groms comes in. The vision I have for this company, a company that is original, sustainable, has sustainable materials, can communicate my adventurous lifestyle, but mainly, most importantly, has minimalistic design. So the team, my name's Hannah Kalmar, I'm founder CEO. Lucas Kalmar is COO and contributing photographer, and together we have 2 bachelor's degrees and we're highly skilled in our craft. And we know what images move people. We've seen what's been done before and we want to take that, flip that, turn that on its head. Market opportunity. So we're entering an existing market, but we're resegmenting it. We're promoting something that's never been done before. The ideal customer, we've broken it down by location, economic segment, and by age. So location, we want to target California and Hawaii, the surf skate hubs. Economic segment, lower to middle class, less than 100K. And by age, ideally 13 years old to 28 years old. That's the ideal customer archetype, but what's beautiful is that it isn't limited to that. Everybody wants a t-shirt, everybody wants a cool t-shirt, and everybody needs them. Biggest pains of customers currently is that they can't find this design, and that's their biggest unmet need, and that's what we're going to push. That's how we're going to solve their number one, and we're going to mainly market that. That's our difference. That's what sets us apart, and this is our product. So as you can see, it's on simple, neutral tones that are very versatile, that can go with anything. And these are the photographs. These ones are all taken by me. I'll just let you thumb through them. And as you can see, they're different. They show a different side of the island that is, you don't see this on t-shirts. This isn't what's promoted. It tells a story. And so that's the final product on completely sustainable materials, and it's so simple, yet it's so catching. So how we fit into the market, advantages, we're small, which means we'll have better customer service. Local, people love supporting local artists, and design, that's what's going to set us apart. Competition, Quiksilver, Roxy, Billabong are the leading competition. Yes, they're established, yes, they have the financial means, but what's great is that we know that's our competition and they have their flaws, customer outreach, other things like that. Competitive advantages. So we do not depend on a lot of partnerships, which is great. So we can operate alone. We don't depend on other parts. Manufacturing costs can be kept low overseas. We'll have great customer service. Small team, and we've gotten out of the building, so we know that this will work. People want this. Expense model, so channels, partnerships, cost structure. We have our fixed costs. The only variables are probably camera equipment, breaking from now and then. Partnerships, we partner with UPS, FedEx channels, we market over social media. So we'll pay over our website and we'll do a supply drop with the t-shirts like hype brands. New collections will come out every 2 weeks, but we'll have the main basics on the site. Expected ARPU $30 and lifetime value customer $90. Expected conversion rate to get a paid customer, we estimate is 20%. How long before we run out of money? 1 year and 2 months, which is great because that's if no one buys. So we have a lot to work with and we know what we can fix as we keep going. What will be your monthly burn rate? We expect to spend $1,400, pretty cheap. In the first year, we expect to have 1,040 customers and $24,000 annual revenue, but we expect that to go up after the first year. So while I'll be successful, business is risky, and that's a given, but if there's one thing you can count on, that's Hannah Kalmar, and I am dedicated, I'm passionate, this is what I want to do for a career, and I'm passionate and charismatic, I keep saying passionate, and I can make this company go far. So thank you for your time, email, number, and what's next?